These are the sounds that the animals make. 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 The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The tiger goes roar, roar, roar. These are the sounds the animals make. Cow goes moo, moo, moo. The monkey goes ooh, ee, ee, ooh, ooh, ee, ee, ooh, ooh, ee, ee. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make.
Yellow duck, what do you see?
The sheep goes baa, baa, baa. The alligator goes chomp, chomp, chomp. These are the sounds the animals make. The bee goes bzzz.
I see a green frog.
The elephant goes a-rumph, a-rumph. These are the sounds that the animals make. 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 The dog goes bark, 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 bark. The chicken goes cluck,
I see a
cluck,
white
cluck, cluck,
dog.
cluck, cluck. These are the sounds the animals make. The lion goes roar, roar, roar. The rabbit goes
I
hop,
see a black sheep.
hop, 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 hop. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals
I
make.
see a goldfish looking at me.
The cat goes meow, meow, meow.
Goldfish,
The
what
frog
do you
goes
see?
ribbit, 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 ribbit.
I
These
see
are the
a
sounds the
teacher.
animals make. The kangaroo goes point, point, point. The dinosaur goes roar, roar.
I
These
see
are the
children
sounds the
looking at
animals make. And these are the sounds that the animals make.
Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep,